In this video, I'm going to be having a little play with coconut rum, and I've got a Pina Colada Daiquiri to show you. You guys have been asking me for more coconut rum content on this channel, and you've been voting over the last week or so on the My Community tab, and you kind of said the Pina Colada is one of your favourite coconut rum cocktails. But obviously I've got a Pina Colada cocktail video already on my channel, so I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to kind of riff off of those flavours. But then also coming up over the next few weeks or so, I'm going to be doing a lot more content with coconut rum as well. I'm also going to be adding to my little collection. I've got at least sort of 5 or 6 other coconut rum's going to come next week, but at the moment I've got Dead Man's Fingers coconut and Captain Morgan's coconut. Both are absolutely really good, to be fair, and quite cheap. But we've got Coco Canu coming, we've got a Luna, I've actually got some Malibu coming as well. We're going to do a little comparison. But anyway, let's dive straight in to this Pina Colada kind of daiquiri, if you like. It's absolutely delicious. So chances are, if you love your kind of pina coladas, you've got coconut rum and you've got some pineapple. But I'm going to give you, I'm all about inspiration for this. So obviously going to make it up in a cocktail shaker. And there's loads of different ways you could go with this. So my first ingredient, I'm going for 45ml, 1.5 ounces of my coconut. Now remember, coconut, Pina Colada is essentially coconut and pineapple. That's all it is, coconut and pineapple. So stick to those flavours. Obviously I've got a coconut rum here, 1.5 ounces, 45ml. Now, for the pineapple, there are so many different ways you could go with this. We've got Captain Morgan's, we've got a pineapple rum there, we could add a bit of pineapple. We've got in the UK, and probably wherever it is, maybe in Europe as well, we've got Aldi's Crossbones Tropical Rum, which is a lovely hints of pineapple in there. We've got Red Leg pineapple, this is lovely, caramelised pineapple, vanilla and ginger spiced rum. However, the brand that I'm actually going to use, and I've used it quite a lot actually, is Giffard. I love using Giffard liqueurs. They're pretty much available all around the world. And I do chat to most of Giffard's accounts all around the world. So I know that these guys, you can get these. So I'm going for this, and I'm just going 15ml, half an ounce of this. So we've already got our pineapple and coconut going on. Now, I just love doing this with daiquiris. Oh, wrong way round. Daiquiris, one of my favourite ways to drink rum. So I have got, I'm going to go 30ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice in there. And then with daiquiris, I'm just going for a bit of sugar as well. However, the thing I love doing with pineapple is brown sugar or demerara sugar. So you could do normal sugar syrup, it's absolutely fine. You could, hang on a minute, you could, I told you I'm all about inspiration. Thinking on my feet, I'm going to use some, there we go. Let's put that back. I'm going to be using some orgeat, if I can get it open, there we go, orgeat, however you want to say it. Almond syrup with a hint of vanilla and orange flower water in there. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do half an ounce, 15ml. Is that? And again, daiquiris are just to your kind of, and thinking that's not a pina, I actually use that. If you go and watch my Pina Colada videos on my channel, you will see that I use orgeat in my Pina Coladas a lot. I think it works a treat. Right. So let's just ice this up. There we go. Give it a good old shaky for about 10 to 12 seconds. Really chill it down. Right. Yeah. Oh, pineapple cake. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Right, a couple of different ways you could serve this. You could double strain it into a Nick and Nora glass. However, I'm going for a little rocks glass, I think. What am I doing? Oh, yeah, let's go for a little rocks glass. Because I've got a ball of ice. I'm going to be using a ball of ice. So we're going to be doing that. I do love daiquiris over ice. So just going to single strain this. Oh, magic. And then for the inspiration, because I love giving you inspiration, the other things you could do, if I can find them, I've moved them, there we go. I've got my pineapple and star anise bitters. You don't have to do this at all, but I just love that kind of little anise, kind of little just aromas. So a couple of little spritzes. And if you haven't got the spritz caps, just use, they come with pipettes. You just put a few drops in your cocktail. There we go, garnish with a pineapple. And that is my Pina Colada Daiquiri. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is heaven. Oh, I like that. Oh, that is dangerous and naughty. I could drink a lot of them. So if you like that, let me know. What other ways could you do a pina colada daiquiri? You could use or pina colada drinks. I've got coconut milk, that you can use, coconut syrups, coconut purees. We do that. I'm just going to have a little riff coming up in the next few videos. Lots of coconut rum for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the very next video.